Hi, my name is Deborah, and I'm here today to make a container garden for my daughter for her porch. And I have a variety of different plants that I'm going to put in there. This one is called a Dracaena, and it's going to be in the middle. It's actually a house plant, but as long as the temperatures stay no lower than 60 degrees, we'll be fine with this one. And we have here, these are called black sweet potato vines, and they're really beautiful. This is a small one, but as the summer goes on, it'll continue to grow. It'll vine out over top of the planter. I believe this is lamb's ear. There isn't a sticker in here, but I think the texture, I've had these before. This is lamb's ear, and this is called the polka dot plant, and we're going to put that in there too. And I believe it's going to probably vine out over the edges as well. And last, we have zinnia, one of my favorites. And you can see all the different colors, and they're really beautiful. And it's going to just fill the pot up as they continue to grow. Since this is such a big container, I don't like to really waste a lot of dirt trying to fill this whole container up. So I'm going to fill the container with plastic water bottles. So I'm going to start off by, I have some empty bottles. And I like to use Miracle-Gro potting mix, not the regular dirt that you use in the ground for, your vegetables. You can use Miracle-Gro's, soil for putting your vegetables in, but you want the potting mix because it's not all dirt. They have other things in there that'll help your plants get started. So you want to use this Miracle-Gro. I've been using this for years, and they say it makes your plants grow twice as big, and I really believe that. And so if you take a look at it, you can see that it's not just dirt. There's other things in there. And so this is what you want to use, not just your garden soil. You want to use potting mix. So I'm going to start filling this up. Okay, we have the Dracaena in the middle. And so now we're going to begin to go all the way around this plant container with the other plants. Now I'm going to add the sweet potato vine, and this is going to vine out. It'll grow and get real long and hang out on the sides of the pot. So I'm going to put one on either end, and I always pinch around the root ball just to break it up a little bit. So we'll put one right here, and then we'll put another one on the other side right here. Nice opening here. We'll put one here. Pinch around, break the root ball up a little bit, and turn it. I'm going to turn it since it's starting to grow out like it wants to hang, and put it over this way. Okay, so then, now I'm going to layer, or just go around the pot, alternating with the polka dot plant, the zinnia, and the lamb's ear. So I'll start off with the polka dot plant. And I'll put something next to that because the colors are so close together. I'll just move that over here. And I'll get a nice zinnia. There it goes, red zinnia. Put that there. And I'm just using my hands and making a whole patting the dirt around it. Like that. Okay. And then I'll do the lamb's ear. Real pretty color green. I'll put that here. And push them in real good. Okay, and so now we'll start with another zinnia. We'll do a white. And these plants are going to get really big. They'll get really big, so you don't want them all packed right next to each other. Okay, so we have this vine here. So I'll do another polka dot plant here on this side. And you can buy these already mature with real big flowers, but you're going to pay up to almost $100 to have something that size. Or you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. So I'm going to put another sweet potato or lamb's ear right here. And I'm going to stop right here. These plants are small. They're going to double and triple in size, so that you're going to have a big, massive group of plants here in a few months. So this is an easy way to do it. And if you want instant huge pots, then you pay the $100, you pay $50. And for a pot this size, you're gonna pay at least $100. And it's gonna, of course, have plants that are really big and mature. But if you're on a budget and you just wanna have that same look and do it yourself, you have to wait. About a month from now, this plant's gonna be booming. But you have to wait a few weeks. But this is a cheaper way to do it, and that's how you make a container garden. It's been about 5 weeks since we made this container garden. We started out with little small plants, and as you can see, they're starting to get bigger, and some of them are starting to spill over. So if you're interested in getting this type of effect, and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a mature plant, you just have to buy the smaller plants, get your container, and put them in, water them, fertilize them, and eventually you'll end up with a big container like this. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe.